I don't know what that is. I just hope it's not the timing chain. It sounded like in this area near the steering pump, but to be honest, I don't really know. It doesn't sound good for sure. One quick test that we can do to isolate the issue is to remove the accessory belts and see if it's something in the accessory area or it is the timing chain. If I remove the belts and it doesn't sound this bad anymore, it means that something in the accessory area is bad. Maybe the steering pump, maybe the water pump, maybe the alternator. No, because I replaced it not so long ago. Let's see. Good news. It seems like it's not the timing chain. Okay, I arranged a little bit of light here. So let's see, is it the steering pump? I mean, it has a little bit of play, but I don't think this is the one. Is it the water pump? Also has a little bit of play, but I don't think it's enough to be causing such a horrendous noise. And this one seems okay. No, I don't think it's the alternator. I replaced it this summer. Oh shit. Well, I think we found it. Yeah, it's completely cracked over here. Well, I think it's time to order some parts from Germany. Okay, so the tricky part is going to be to remove this bolt over here. But fortunately, as the Americans would say, this is not my first rodeo. So I already have the tool. I'll need to remove this as well. Now we have more space. 22mm. Is the same. This one is made in Turkey, apparently. 6 pk here, 4 pk here. I cannot measure it. Also, I'm going to be replacing the bolts because these are torque to yield, which means they deform in the process. But now that I see this, and this one is actually longer than this one. 82.5, 85.5. Well, in that case, I will reuse this one temporarily and return this one and buy another one and replace it in a couple of weeks or days. Torque spec for this thing is 100 Newton meters plus 150 degrees. I cannot go more than this because I think my ratchet is gonna break. I know I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I think I will be retorquing that thing another day. Sounds good.